Hey you guys, really short video today, just going to show you how to do a cabin air filter in a 2017 Buick Encore. Alright, here's the interior of our 2017 Buick Encore, and I've already emptied the glove box. As you can tell, there's a nice dampener. So the cabin air filter is located in behind the glove box, and it's very simple to get it out. When you open the glove box, you're going to notice that on the side over here there is what's called a dampener, and what this dampener does, it gives you this effect so that the glove box does not slam open. So up on top, just up on the top here, there's a little tiny clip, and it's fairly simple to get out. Let's see if I can get in there. Alright. Okay, so there's the dampener right there, and here's our clip right there. It's holding the dampener on. Pretty simple, just going to get in there, just going to pop it off, like so. Now come off the clip. We're just going to push down on the dampener, like so. And I'm going to back it out here. Now we notice that the glove box will no longer have its dampening function, which is fine. Now to drop the glove box, you grab the glove box by each side, one on this side, one hand on this side, push inwards, takes a little bit of force and pull out, and the whole glove box will drop down, giving us access to the compartment. Now up in here, you're going to see, sorry about this guys, a little rough right here, so filter access door. Again, there's a little clip on this side. You push in, as well as the other side. You're going to push in, and you're going to lift up on the panel, and there's your filter. Grab the filter, and you're just going to slide it out. That is your cabin air filter right there. There's the hole. Everything is pretty simple. Reverse. Filter back in. Which may require two hands. Give me a second. Alright, so we got two hands. Get that filter back in there like so. Slides right in, all the way until it's seated. And grab the door, push it down until you hear snapping on each side. Click, click. We're good there. So now what we're going to do is we're going to lift our glove box, and we're going to reattach our dampener. So there's a hole right here. This is the one we're going to snap it onto. So you can see that right there. And I'm just going to pull towards me like so. There we go. We have the dampener snapped back in. And we can push up on our glove box. It's locked back into place. And that's it. Okay, we need to rewind. Okay, so wow. So here's something that I wasn't expecting. This is the cabin air filter. And look at the debris that's in there. Look at that. All that was caught by the filter. Now, I did not check this last oil change. So the last time I checked this was probably a year and a half ago. And I do not have one with me today. Same as the air filter. The air filter that I just checked will have to be replaced as well, so I'll have to pick one of those up. And I'm going to have to pick one of these up as well. So if you're going to tell me the cabin air filters don't do anything, now tell me different. channel is all about honesty, transparency, and trying to give you guys the right information and showing you how I do stuff. So I'm about to have an honest moment with you right now. I'm probably not going to change it. That's why I vacuumed it. That was a very shaky video of a cabin air filter change.